So if you fire your attorney, does your attorney still get a fee from your settlement? Does the attorney still get a portion of it at the end? The short answer, yes, the attorney can still get a fee. So backing up a little bit, in California, workers' compensation judges will generally award up to 15% of the final settlement to go to the applicant's attorney for fees for his or her work over the life of the case. If at any time you dismiss your attorney, you fire your attorney so that you want to represent yourself, or your attorney files a petition to be relieved as your attorney, and that's granted so that the attorney no longer represents you. Under either of those scenarios, the attorney can file a lien for services performed over the life of your case. Oftentimes, it's kind of a strange thing. The lien in California has to have a specific dollar amount. Attorneys will put crazy things, $1 million for their lien. But it will still come down to a percentage most of the time of the final settlement. So let's say you hire an attorney, the attorney files an application for you, finds a new primary treating physician for you, maybe starts the QME process, and you're a few months into it and you think, forget it, I don't want an attorney. You fire your attorney. Chances are the attorney will file a lien. Now, the attorney probably won't request or be granted up to a full 15% of your final settlement because the attorney didn't represent you all the way until the end of the case. The attorney only handled a portion of it, so it would generally be a smaller amount. Let's say your attorney represents you for 3 years, negotiates a $100,000 settlement. You like that idea, but you don't want to have to pay the attorneys any fees, so you fire your attorney and then you settle for the same $100,000. Well, chances are the attorney is going to get either the full 15% or darn close to it because the attorney did all of the work leading up to it, negotiated the settlement, had everything close to being done, and then you fired the attorney. So you can fire your attorney at any time. The attorney might get dismissed as your attorney, but the attorney can always file a lien for services performed in your case. On a somewhat similar note, if you fire your attorney and hire a new attorney, the original attorney will probably still file a lien. They'll want a portion of the final settlement, and then at the end of the case, if the fees are 15% of whatever final settlement, then the two attorneys will end up splitting it, usually amicably. Sometimes it has to go to trial. But that is an attorney's fee. You can fire your attorney. The attorney might get dismissed as your attorney of record, but the attorney can file a lien to get a portion of the final settlement. If you like this video, click the like button down below and be sure to subscribe to the channel.